everyone, and welcome back to UZEX News on UzReport TV channel. Today in our edition, you can get acquainted with the latest exchange news as well as with the exchange market condition of non-ferrous metals for the first half of 2025. At the beginning of our program, we traditionally offer you the results of trades on all trading platforms of UZEX market and definitely the price dynamics of the top commodity positions. These were the main indicators of UZEX exchange over the past week. Now let's dwell on to the latest exchange news. In accordance with the decree of the Cabinet of Ministers of the Republic of Uzbekistan number 621, October the 2nd, 2024, a new electronic trading platform agro.uzex.uz is functioning at the Uzbek Commodity Exchange. This trading platform is intended for agricultural product sale grown by farmers at a free market price in domestic and foreign markets. Trades in the current trading system are conducted in competitive, non-competitive, or price query mode. To participate in the auction, it is sufficient to register online and deposit in the bank account at the clearing chamber of the UZEX. In addition, in order to organize direct sales of agricultural products in foreign markets, 48 foreign trading platforms of Uzbek Commodity Exchange hold presentations of electronic trading platform UZEX Agro. During these events, foreign clients are informed about the timing, volumes, and prices of products grown in Uzbekistan. We're moving to a separate segment of the UZEX Exchange trade platform. To be exact, let's go and look more properly one of the most demandable commodity assets and segments at the UZEX platform. This is going to be the non-ferrous metals market for the first half of the current year. In the period under review, domestic commodity market sales of non-ferrous metals amounted to over 63.7 thousand tons, which is 15% more than in the same period of the last year. Cathode copper accounts for 68% of non-ferrous metal sales in the market, as we can see, and especially in the segment of non-ferrous metals, this takes the lion's share. As we can see on the screen, 68% goes for cathode copper. The second position here is taken by zinc, which goes with 26% at the Uzbek Commodity Exchange. And the third top leadership position here is definitely taken by cathode rolled wire, which goes with 3%. The share of other types of non-ferrous metals is less than 1%. In terms of market conditions, copper on the domestic market shows mixed price dynamics based on demand and supply, as well as global market trends. In the months of January to March of the current year, average copper prices rose from 127.2 million sums per ton, as we can see on the screen, up to almost its maximum price position, 135 million sums per ton, as we can see on the screen, which is the highest value in the period under review. In the months of April, average prices fell to 129.8 million sums per ton, which is definitely due to the active position of the factory producers and the global market price impact to the price formation at the UZEX exchange trade platform. And in the months of May and June, prices rose again to 134 million sums per ton, as we can see on the screen. So let's go to another demandable commodity asset in the segment of non-ferrous metals at the Uzbek Commodity Exchange. That's going to be the aluminium price dynamics. There is some volatility in the aluminium market, and for months of January to March, the average prices of aluminium fell from 29.7 million sums per ton, as we can see on the screen, down to 28.9 million sums per ton, or by 3%. In the following months, prices recovered slightly and stabilized at 29 million sums per ton, as we can see on the screen, and up to 29.4 million sums per ton in the months of May. So talking about the regional consumption, it's worth to mention that in the structure of buyers across regions for the consuming of non-ferrous metals at the Uzbek Commodity Exchange, definitely metropolitan area Tashkent and Tashkent region takes the lion's share, and it goes with 89%, to be exact 89.4% on consuming non-ferrous metals at the UZEX exchange trade platform. The second position here is taken by Samarkand region, which goes with 6% on consuming non-ferrous metals, and definitely the top leadership position here is taken by Andijan region, which goes with 3% on consuming non-ferrous metals at the UZEX exchange trade platform. The share of other regions is relatively lower. These were all comments for today. Thank you for watching us and being with us. Do join us next week on UzReport TV channel, and definitely with the website at www.uzex.uz. See you next week. Bye.